This is my old water heater tank, Bradford White, 80 gallon. It's been good for at least 7 years, and it's time now for replacement. The very first thing you have to do here is locate your breaker box. Look for a label that says water heater. Otherwise, it's a 30 amp breaker. Okay, this is a must, and we need to make sure that we are using a voltage detector or multimeter when working on any electrical. Tank should be empty and water line should be on off position. Then you can start removing your water supply line from your water heater tank. Let's go to our local hardware store and grab a electric water heater. Alright, let's reinstall all the water supply lines into your new water heater tank. Let's reinstall the pipeline for the pressure relief valve, and I am now salvaging the old connector from my old water heater tank. This is for demonstration purposes only. Let's make sure we use the correct tooling. Tighten up the connection from your water relief valve and your water line. What I'm doing here now is inspecting all the connections and making sure that there's no water leaks. And then when you're done inspecting and everything looks good, make sure you turn on your water line and fill up the tank. Open your water heater faucet and bleed out all the air that's coming out from your new water heater tank. Okay, let's go double check that there's no voltage going through this cable wires. If there's no voltage detected, let's go ahead and read the warning sign on your water tank before doing anything on your electrical. As soon as you're done reading and reviewed all the connections are good to go, let's go ahead and remove the warning sign sticker. I'm gonna speed this up for a little bit. Let's go grab a screwdriver and let's remove the top panel of your water heater tank. Alright, there should be 2 electrical wires that will be exposed. It will be the red and the black. What I am doing here now is securing the connection, making sure the black goes to black and the white goes to red. Make sure that you have a tight connection. Use a wire nut to protect the ends of your electrical wiring. You can use a standard pliers to twist your electrical wiring connections, as you can see on this video. As soon as you're done with your connections, reinstall the wire nut, tug the cable, make sure it's not loose, and now we're ready to install our ground connection. Your ground will be the copper with no jacket, as you can see on the video. can now reinstall all the screws for the top panel of your water heater tank. Let's secure the connection with the provided green screw using a Phillips screwdriver. As soon as we're done with our electrical connection, everything is secured. Let's go to our electrical box and turn on our water heater breaker. Yeah, I know my garage looks like a mess right now. I have to move everything because of that water leak from my old water heater tank. So here we go. Everything looks okay, inspected. And thank you for watching this video. If you guys like it, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.